There are days when doubt creeps in like a shadow, whispering that you're not enough, that you'll fail before you even begin. It disguises itself as realism, but in truth, it is nothing more than fear dressed in logic. But here's the truth: self-doubt is a thief. It robs you of opportunities, potential, and the life you were meant to live. And yet, it has no power unless you give it permission. So how do you silence it? How do you rise from the weight of your own insecurities and rebuild the belief in yourself? Step 1. Challenge the voice. Every time self-doubt whispers, "You can't," ask yourself, "But what if I can?" Greatness doesn't begin with certainty. It begins with possibility. The mind clings to comfort zones, but growth only comes when you step beyond them. When doubt says, "You're not ready," remember, nobody's ever fully ready. They become ready through action. Step 2. Small wins build big confidence. Think back to the last time you accomplished something you once thought impossible. At first, it seemed overwhelming, but then you took one step. And then another. Before you knew it, the impossible was behind you. Confidence is not lightning striking from the sky. It's a flame you build, brick by brick, action by action. Each small win adds weight to your belief in yourself until it becomes unshakable. Step 3. Reframe failure. Self-doubt feeds on fear of failure. But what if failure isn't an enemy at all? Every mistake is proof that you tried. Every stumble is a lesson in disguise. Every setback is a setup for the next breakthrough. Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's not failure. That's progress. Step 4. Speak to yourself differently. If you talk to your friends the way you talk to yourself, would they still be your friends? Too often, the harshest voice we hear is our own. It's time to rewrite the script. Instead of, "I can't do this," say, "I am learning to do this." Asterisk. Instead of, "I always mess up," say, "I am improving every day." Words shape beliefs. Beliefs shape reality. Speak with kindness, and you'll start to see yourself differently. Step 5. Surround yourself with belief. You are a reflection of the people you spend the most time with. If you surround yourself with negativity, doubt will grow louder. But if you surround yourself with dreamers, doers, and believers, their energy becomes contagious. You don't need the whole world to believe in you. You just need to borrow the belief of a few people until you can carry your own again. The breakthrough. Self-doubt may never fully disappear. It's human to question, to wonder, to fear. But it doesn't have to control you. Courage is not the absence of doubt. Courage is choosing to move forward despite it. So today, remind yourself you are worthy of success, love, and happiness. You are stronger than your past, more powerful than your fears, and more capable than you realize. Your doubts are liars. Your potential is infinite. And your belief in yourself is the bridge between where you are and where you're destined to be. One day, you look back at this moment and realize it wasn't the doubt that defined you, it was the choice you made in spite of it. Believe again. Act again. Rise again. Because your future is waiting, and it's brighter than you've ever imagined. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.